All right, gang. Uh, Big Harbor Freight haul. I uh, I heard one critter. Heard one lady. She runs a welding shop out of her carport garage. Way back when, she said, "This is the shop that Harbor Freight built," and that's cool. Harbor Freight built your shop. Well, I built my shop, and I'm using Harbor Freight shit, and I'm using hand-me-down shit, and I'm using stuff from Lowe's and stuff from every damn where. But anyway, not knocking anybody or what they're doing. Uh, I gotta hide my air compressor around the corner, and I'm gonna probably plumb. I'm working in a network of a building behind you, behind the camera. Working in this building, and I'm working in another building over there, which I'm not really working in. But I'm probably gonna run my compressor around the corner and keep that loud son of a bitch off to the side. Uh, Run some galvanized pipe or PVC. I don't know yet. I'm gonna look at ways to go and pipe air around over to here because we need air. Need some water over here, and we need a hard wire of electricity. But right now I'm gonna use jumper wires with drop cords and shit. I think that'll be fun. It looks a little bit more like what your average Joe could do in his backyard. I could wire this on, but that's another story. So hiding the air compressor, and like I said, you clean up little messes. I was looking at the sale paper, and Sandy Claus came, and I bought this Chief brand from Harbor Freight die grinder, 1/4 inch air grinder. Uh, this is their Chief model, and so anyway, it's unboxing for that. It comes with some instructions. Nice cardboard box. Throw that down there. A couple of wrenches that I've never really used. Usually you just crank on these with a vice grips or whatever. Just for wrench. It's rather darling. It's very small, very delicate, very petite. It feels good. It's got a good little spring on there. First thing to go, sorry OSHA, is that safety latch. That shit's gone, and then you can hang that son of a bitch over, a rail. So anyway, not hating on anybody that's safety minded first. It's good. Don't cut your damn fingers off. So comes with the little wrenches. I'll make time together. I don't know. I don't have any bits yet. I have to run back over there tomorrow and grab some more shit. Doesn't come with any nipples. But they are Harbor Freight. They do sell their own store brand of air fittings. Won't Teflon tape anything within reason. And that'll do it. Anyway, once I get some oil in it and get a bit for it, and probably going to remove that, but I'm not going to show that on. Yeah, I will. Fuck it, that's mine. I paid for it. Anyway, Chief straight die grinder, 1/4 inch. I'm gonna work shit out of it. We'll see how it goes. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Modem. Tire Creek Iron Works out.